Hello and welcome to the Univertech. Today I'm going to discuss how to use Screw Modifier in Blender. It is very helpful tool in Blender to create helix type shapes like spring, screws, nuts and much more. So in this tutorial I'm going to create a spring. So let's begin with the clear that environment. Select all and hit delete to delete, and now add a base mesh. To create spring I'm going to add circle, and now it's time to add screw modifier. Click wrench icon, add modifier, and you can see in the bottom of free mesh modifier screw modifier, and hit that to add on the circle. So you can see nothing happened because some changes to do the menu in screw modifier to get results. To get result, first of all we can increase its screw length and now change its angle. You can see this is not like a spring. So to do that, so first of all we can change its origin point. To change its origin point and jump to the front menu, I'm going to get result in z-axis, not x-axis. In x-axis, now select G, and you can see in x-axis you can see that this is like a spring. If I increase its rotation and length rotation, now you can see this is not a smooth spring and not in round shape. It's depend on your add shape. You can see this is a circle that face on z-axis, and if we can change its if we can rotate it on x-axis in 90-degree, you can see that is like a spring. Now I can change its screw length. You can see it's not smooth like round. To smooth that spring shape, we can increase steps per viewpoint, and you can see this is like add subdivides in that. And if you want to add you want it long, you can add its iterations, and if you using its angle more, you can increase it. And if we want to add its controller, we can require a shape like empty. We can add empty, and now select that empty and get out of it and select it, and select that empty with the eyedropper. You can see that is spring. You can adjust more. And now you can see that if we select that empty and grab it on z-axis, you can see nothing happened. And if we grab it, you can see this is the thickness, and it is actually change in its word origin. So if we select that object and check this object screw, it is like a screw. So now I am grab it on z-axis. You can see it is like behave like a spring, and now we can control it with the empty. So that's all from my side, and if you like my video, hit like button, and if you are new on my channel, hit subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest update on my channel.